In this question, we are given this equation. A is equal to p times the parentheses with 1 plus r inside, and this is raised to the second power, and the goal is to solve for r. So this means we have to get r by itself on one side, so we are going to have r is equal to an expression on the other side, and this side right here should not have any r. And this is how we are going to do it. So as we can see, the r is inside of this parentheses, right? And we have p times the parentheses, 1 plus r inside, and then raised to a second power. Identify what's happening right here. Inside outwise, you have 1 plus r, right? And then raised to a second power, and then multiply by p. In order to get the r out, we have to reverse all the order. We are going to start with taking care of this p. This is p times this parentheses. So I'm going to divide both sides by p so that they cancel each other out. And then we see that a over p is equal to this. And let me just write this down first, okay? Let me put this down, parentheses 1 plus r, and then square, and this is equal to a over p. Let me just put this down first on the left hand side, and let me bring this to the right hand side. And the reason is because we like to have the variables that we are trying to solve on the left hand side. And once again, let's identify what's going on. This is 1 plus r inside first, and then square, right? I have to get rid of the square first, the reversed. And this is the square, so what we're going to do is we will take the square roots on both sides. When I do this, the square root and the square will cancel, and once again, do the same thing on both sides. But be sure, when I take the square root on both sides, on the right hand side here, we have to attach the plus minus, okay? And then we see we have 1 plus r only, right? This is what's left on the left hand side, and this is equal to plus minus, and we are just going to leave this expression as how it is, okay? Square root of a over p inside, okay? Square root of a over p inside with a plus minus on the outside. One more step will be done. Here we have 1 plus r. We have to take care of this one. We have to minus 1 on both sides so that they will cancel. We can get r by itself. So we have to minus 1 right here as well. But this is an expression, right? It's not a number, so let me just write down the minus 1 at the end like this. Well, we will have the r by itself, as I mentioned, and this is equal to, let me write this down, plus minus square root with a over p inside, okay? And then on the outside, we have the minus 1. This is it. Be sure you note like how we write this expression down, okay? Especially this right here, and then the minus 1 down the outside. So this is the formula for r.